Northside Storm Team.
Well, around lunchtime, we did have a few showers roll through the area. Maybe you heard a brief rumble of thunder, but things have become a little bit more partly cloudy outside. In Fairfield Glade right now, sun's blocked by a few clouds, but that sunshine that we had earlier in the afternoon, that's making our atmosphere just a little less unstable. Notice it's still very warm outside, 85 in Crab Orchard, 83 in Crossville, 84 right now in Fairfield Glade. Across the region, temperatures are in the 80s, close to 90 degrees, but when you factor in the humidity, it's feeling a lot warmer than that. So notice 88 here in Kingston and 88 in Knoxville and Sevierville, 86 in Dandridge. So it's been a very hot and humid evening. Notice we do have a few showers starting to pop up on radar as expected. A brief shower in northern Knox County right now, even some showers starting off in Cumberland County. Now I do expect showers to continue to develop and storms to develop later on tonight. That's why we are weather aware. Notice we only cool off in the low 70s, scattered storms, possibly strong to even severe storms tonight and into the overnight hours. So it's important to have multiple ways to receive alerts. Notice here's our cold front. That's what's moving into our area. That's what's going to fire off the storms. Starting to move into Middle Tennessee right now. And we're already starting to see some storms develop. As we go further into the night, we will have more storms develop. Notice all of our area under a level 2 out of 5 risk. So everyone should be prepared tonight to deal with some strong to potentially severe thunderstorms. Timing things out, generally over the next hour or two, we'll have more storms bubble up, generally starting off on the plateau, but towards 9, 10 o'clock, now we're seeing more storms in the valley locations. I think your best bet of seeing strong storms is along I-40 and northward into southeastern Kentucky. But everyone should be prepared for strong storms tonight. Now, as we get into the early morning hours, still some storms in the area. And first thing tomorrow morning, good idea to have the umbrella handy out at the bus stop tomorrow morning. I still think we'll be dealing with some rain showers before we have gradual clearing later in the morning and a partly cloudy sky for your afternoon. So we are weather aware, monitoring the risk for some large hail possibly to develop. Main threats are heavy rain, which could lead to some flooding, wind damage with some gusty winds. The tornado threat is low, but it is not zero. So all modes of severe weather are possible. Notice a 2 out of 4 risk for the area in yellow, watching out the potential for some flooding. We've received a lot of rain over the last week or so, so our ground's very saturated, so the potential is there for some localized flash flooding going into the morning on Tuesday. So with more severe storms moving through the area, good idea, download our app. You can scan this QR code now, or just search Knoxville Weather in your app store. But of course, we are going to be keeping a close eye on the radar throughout the evening. Tomorrow, warming things up only in the upper 70s out on the plateau. Risk of a brief shower in the morning. Southeastern Kentucky, 81 in Middlesboro, 80 in Barberville. Here in the valley locations will also be rather cool, only warming up into the low 80s. Notice a lot 82s on the map, so you'll notice a drop in humidity come tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be very comfortable to be outside. If you're heading out to the Smokies, 78 in Walland, 81 in Pigeon Forge. Tomorrow into the afternoon, a lot of us seeing comfortable on our sweatcast. So tomorrow's a nice afternoon to be outside. As that cold front moves through tonight, we will be watching out the potential for some strong storms. So be weather aware this evening going into the morning tomorrow. A pleasant day for Wednesday. Notice a lot of sun icons on the map as we go later into the week. Now things do start to heat up towards Friday, back to where we should be for this time of year. I mean, it is still August, so humidity levels are increasing. Our temperatures are back up closer to the 90-degree mark, but a lot of sun on the map. It's turning drier. It'll be nice to be outside. I'm looking for the drier weather.
Yeah, I am too. I'm just looking forward. Let's just get through this evening, and it looks like smooth sailing for a while.
Exactly. Let's just pay attention tonight before we can enjoy the sunshine tomorrow afternoon.
Good stuff, Matt. Appreciate it. I know you'll be here to watch things for us tonight. Hey, we're looking